Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own sound on TikTok in 2021. So this is a really easy method that you guys can use to get your own custom sounds on your TikTok accounts and then use them in your own videos. Now, what you want to do is you want to screen record over a song, whether it's a song on YouTube or a song in your local music, whether it's Spotify or Apple Music. All you want to do is go over to the app that you want to get the song from. So let's just say we're doing Apple Music here. You can go on here, click any song you want, and just screen record over it with the song playing. Or you can go over to YouTube and get any song off YouTube like I have right here. And you can go ahead and do the same thing, just screen record over you playing. I've, of course, already done this. I've already made a screen recording, but you can go ahead, choose your song, do a quick screen recording. If you're unaware how to screen record, you can just go to your control panel and click on the screen record button. If you don't have it there, you can go over to your settings and open that up. Once you're in your settings, you just want to navigate over to Control Center and then scroll down, and then you will see the screen recording down in your More Controls. All you have to do is click on the plus icon to add it in like I already have up here. Once you have that done, you can then go to your control panel and you will see the screen recording there. You can go ahead and start your screen recording. Once you have your screen recording of your song, all you have to do is go over to TikTok and open that up. Once you're on TikTok, you want to go over to your page, and then you just want to go over to create a new video. And once you're in here, you want to go to upload, and then click on the video that you screen recorded. So this is the video right here that I screen recorded. So then you just want to click on the video that you screen recorded, which is right here, and then just click on next. And then next one more time, and one more time. Just to get to this portion right here, you can then name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it sound, for example. And then once you're done naming it, you can go ahead and post it. Or if you want to hide it from people, you can go ahead and change, obviously, from everyone to private. If you would like to, doesn't really matter. So I'll keep mine on everyone and then post it. So we'll just give this a couple seconds to post. It'll determine how fast your internet is for how long it'll take to post. So we'll give this a couple seconds to post. Once it's done being posted, you want to close out of the application. Make sure that it's fully closed. You can just give it about 60 seconds. Once you've done doing that, you can go ahead and open it back up. Go back to your page, click on the video, and then you will see it will show your profile photo inside of this little music track at the bottom right of your screen. All you have to do is click on that little music track at the bottom, and then it will bring you to this saying original sound with your TikTok name. And then from here, you can either add it to your favorites at the very top, just like this, or you can go down to the bottom and click on use this sound, and then you'll be able to use this sound in your own videos. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create your own sounds on TikTok. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.